You've got just one day to build a fully functional website. Sounds crazy, right? Well, not if you've got the right tools. In this video, we're going from zero to life in just 24 hours. First, let's talk design. If you're looking to move fast, tools like Webflow or Squarespace are your best bet. Drag and drop simplicity. But if you want more control, Bootstrap with HTML and CSS is perfect for custom designs. Next, you need a domain and hosting. Skip the complicated setup and go straight for Netlify or Vercel. Both offer super fast deployment with minimal effort. Now, let's not forget branding. A quick logo from Canva and you're good to go. As for content management, if you're adding blogs or articles, plug in Contentful or Sanity to keep it structured. Oh, and you'll want to track performance, so hook it up to Google Analytics to see how your site is doing once it's live. Finally, don't forget SEO. Tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush will make sure you rank better and bring in traffic. So, is it possible to build a website in a day? Absolutely. If you've got these tools in your arsenal, you can make it happen.